A long-term property plan really allows you to map out how you can achieve your income goals from property and work out the pathway to get there through property purchases. If you're a property advisor or a property planner or a buyer's agent, you may not be buying the right property for your clients because you don't know their full picture. It 100% caters to your personal situation. Lots of people have to sell property in the short to medium term because they didn't have a plan. Look, once upon a time, we were developing property plans with this massive set of Excel spreadsheets that we'd built and producing 150-page reports, and it wasn't sustainable. Gameplans basically replaced all that. All the key number crunching and cash flow management and compounding out of future property returns is done automatically. If you're a buyer's agent, using Gameplans is going to take the legwork out of so much of the number crunching for you. If I wasn't using Gameplans and my competition was, I'd really want to know about it, and I'd be really concerned that I was falling behind. There is a little bit of time to embedding it into your process, but from then on, the time savings are all yours and they compound over years, and you're ahead of the curve with adapting and implementing new software into your business.